My dear children, you know very well about your SSLC examination. In the SSLC examination, the English grammar is most important to all 10th standard students. The grammar consists of many grammar activities. Among the grammar activities, today let us study about the active voice and the passive voice. The active voice and passive voice is also learned in Kannada, what you call as Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga in Kannada language. Active voice means it tells us what a person does. What a person does. For example, Sita drank milk. Sita drank milk. What is the passive form of this line? Sita drank milk. The passive form is milk was drunk by Sita. What is the answer? Milk was drunk by Sita. Here, milk is subject, drank is verb, the object is drunk by. Object is drunk by Sita. This is the passive form. My dear children, you are all studying in 10th standard. In the SSLC examination, the grammar is most important to all 10th standard children. The grammar is consists of many activities, many grammatical aspects. Among them, the active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice is most important to all SSLC children. You are all studying in Kannada language, the active voice and passive voice, what you call as Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga. Similarly, we are studying active voice and passive voice in English grammar. Anybody can answer what is an active voice? What is an active voice? What are you doing there? Come on, tell me. What is an active voice? Do you know the answer? No. The answer is active voice means it tells us what a person does. It tells us what a person does. For example, Sita drank milk. Sita drink water. Sita is drinking water. What is the passive form of Sita drank milk? Sita drank milk. What is the passive form of Sita drank milk? Sita drank milk. In the passive voice, milk was drunk by Sita. Milk was drunk by Sita. Here, Sita, this is subject. Drank, it is a verb. The milk, it is an object. It is an object. Similarly, Sita drink water. What is the passive form? The passive form is water is, not was, because the present helping verb is there. Sita drink water. Water is drunk by Sita. Water is drunk by Sita. So, before going to learn active voice and passive voice, every children, all the children must learn the verb forms. V1, V2, V3, V1, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. What we call in another way, present tense, past tense and past participle. Present tense, past tense, past participle. If you learn all these verb forms, means V1, V2, V3, we can easily change active into passive voice. Otherwise, we can't change easily active into passive voice. For example, I will give more examples. Raju wrote a novel. Raju wrote a novel or a poem. Or wrote many poems. Many poems. Many poems. Look at this table. Look at this table. Raju is here. Raju wrote a novel. Raju wrote a poem. Raju wrote many poems. Yes? Anybody can answer? Raju, what are you doing there? Come on, tell me. Raju wrote a novel. What is the answer? Come on, tell me. Yes? You are right. Very good. Very good, boy. A novel was written by Raju. A novel was written by Raju. Because we are using the past helping verb was because there is a past tense form. Past tense verb wrote. We do. Remember, look at the important word V2. V1, V2. V1 write. V2 wrote. Written past participle. V2. Understand? So past participle is very important to write the passive into passive voice. For example, Raju wrote a poem. A poem was written by Raju. Similarly, here you have to change helping verb because here more than one poems. Not only one poem is there. More than poems. More than one. Raju wrote many poems. Many poems were. Understand this one? Many poems were written by Raju. Written by Raju. Similarly, we can learn another active voice and passive voice. These are very important, my dear children. Just look at this table. You are going to write easily the active voice and passive voice. Look at this table. I is here. V is here. She is here. Similarly, they, he. Here I wrote me. What is the answer? A poem will be written by me. Similarly, you can change the table. It is very easy to learn. This table is very important. If you learn well, if you read well, you can easily change active into passive voice. But don't forget, dear children, will, shall, can. If the sentences are in consist of will, shall, can, you should write be. Be is very important. For example, a poem will be written by me. A poem will be written by, what is the we become? Us. Very good, very good. What is your name? Suma. Nice girl. Read out. A poem shall be written by us. A poem will be written by us. A poem can be written by us. A poem shall be written by her. She become her. They become them. And he become him. We become us. I become me. She become her. They become them. Look at these words. How you are going to change. I become me. We become us. She become her. They become them. And he become him. He become him. So these are called a poem will be written by me. A poem shall be written by us. A poem can be written by her. A poem shall be written by them. A poem shall be written by him. He become him. Similarly, the very important active voice and passive voices are. This table is very important. Dear children, this poem is table is very important. You learn active voice and passive voice. How can you change? How can you change in the in-form sentences? In-form. These are called in-form. In-forms. Sharply, we can say in-forms. For example, Lata is drinking water. Mohan is writing a poem. Mohan is writing his homework. Mohan is writing poems. Whatever it may be. Sentence is not important, but just you understand how can we change in the inform time. Inform time. For example, Lata is drinking water. So here, don't forget V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3 is very important in the active voice and passive forms. For example, Lata is drinking water. Lata drink water. Lata drank water. Lata is drinking. Lata is drinking. So here there is no change participle. Only change drink, drunk. Drink, drunk. For example, these are called being forms. Here, be forms will be, shall be, can be, similarly, would be, should be, could be. Same passive voice. Here, being forms. Water is being drunk by Lata. Water is being drunk by Lata. Mohan. Once again, repeat. I will repeat it. A poem is being written by Mohan. Written by Mohan. Similarly, here Lata was drinking water. No change. No change. Don't worry. Don't think anything about this passive form. Water was here. Helping verb is not changing. Water was being drunk by Lata. Lata is water is being drunk by Lata. Similarly, Mohan, Madhu is eating fruits. Mohan is eating fruits. Mohan was eating fruits. Here is a magic. Here is a magic. How can you change? Very simple. Dear children, Mohan is eating fruits. Here, more than one. Fruits are more. So, we should change fruits are. Because plural word is there. Are plural. Is singular helping verb. Are plural present helping verb. Similar. So, we should change a poem is being written by Mohan. Madhu is eating fruits. Fruits are. Fruits are. Don't forget it. Because here is here is present tense or present tense plural. Is present tense singular. Only singular. And we can change fruits were. Fruits, because was is there, Mohan was eating fruits. So fruits were being eaten by. What is the past participle of eat? Ate, eating. Eat, ate, eating. So eat, ate, and eating. These words, past participle is eaten. Similarly, write, wrote, writing. Once again, I will repeat it. My dear children, look at me. Lot girls, what are you doing there? Have you taken? Are you understanding? Okay, good girls. Fruits were being eaten by Madhu. Eaten by Madhu. Similarly, sometimes the pronouns, the sentence are in pronouns. For example, he, she, we, I, likewise. He is writing a poem. A poem is being written by him. Look at this table. Look at this table. Try to understand writing tables. Writing drilling tables. Drilling tables. A poem is being written by Mohan. A poem is being written by him. He become him. I have already told you. He become him. She become her. We become hers. And I become me. I become me. Here, the fruits are being eaten by him. Very simple. Look at this one. Was. Suddenly you should change. You should change into past tense. Fruits were, because was past tense singular. Children, was, it is a past tense helping verb singular. Well, you should change because the fruits are more. Fruits were being eaten by eaten by her, eaten by us. Similarly, eaten by me. I become me, he become us, she become what? What is the answer? She become her. Very good. He becomes him. Fine. This answer. Have you understood? Have you understood? Next. I would like to give another examples. Another examples. These are very important. This is called being form, active and passive part. Being forms. Look at this table. The poet has written many stories. Similarly, the poet has the person, whoever it may be, whatever it may be, however it may be, the poet has written many stories. The poet had written many stories. The poet had written many stories, many books, many poems, are many short stories. Many short stories. This is very, very interesting passive form. Look at this. I will try to understand using this table, my dear children. The poet has written many stories. Here, the stories. Look at this one. Look at this one. Many stories. Many stories. Has become have. Many stories have been. These are have been. Many stories have been written by the poet. For example, the poet has written a poem. Only one poem is here. He has written only one poem. So you should change. Suddenly you should say a poem has been. Yes, it is used for singular. A poem has been written by the poet. The poet has written many stories. The poet has written many books, many poems, many short stories. All books, poems, short stories. So you should say many books have been written by the poet. Poems have been. Suddenly you should change has into have. Have is shows plural form. Yas is used for only singular form. Many stories have been written by the poet. Many books have been written by the teacher. Many books have been written by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, so and so. Similarly, many poems have been written by. So, how do you change if the sentence is in the poet had? The poet had. Very easy to learn. Have become had. Here, no change. Don't change had into have or had into yes. Simply you write poems have been, books have been, and stories had been written by the Bayard. So this is very, very important. In the last year examination, before last year examination, this question sometimes has come to your midterm examinations and preparatory examinations, and also to your RL examinations. So, if you learn, once again I will repeat you, without learning verb forms such as V1, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, we can't change active into passive voice. At least you have to learn at least 100 V1, V2, V3 forms, tense forms. So tense is most important to speak English language. Tenses are very important to change active into passive voice. Without learning present tense, past tense, past participle, we can't change easily. Understand? I am so happy to listen very beautiful answer by the girl side and also by the boy side. They have given good answer. They have given good response in this classroom. I am so happy. And tomorrow, what I have written, what I have built, what I have written on the blackboard now, you should take down and bring your homework regarding active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. Are you ready? Are you ready to do your homework? Okay, nice children. Okay. Once again, any doubts? Any doubts regarding active voice and passive voice? I think you have understood. Once again, I will repeat the another examples. I will give another examples. This is a very peculiar question, very beautiful question. He punished the children. He punished the children. She punished her. Very nice. How can we change? Okay, this is very different from be form, being form, and also being forms. Here, he punished the children, he punished her, and he punished her. Similarly, he punished him, they punished him. Likewise, how can you change? He punished the children. Here, punished past tense, punished. V1, V2, V3. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. The children, more than one. The children were very simple. Changing their form, were past plural. This is past plural helping verb. The children were punished by him. He became him. Once again, the children were. For example, the question is like this. He children. What is the answer? How can you change at that moment? The children are. If the present verb is there, you should suddenly, automatically, you should change are, because this is plural form. This is plural form. The children were punished by him. The children are punished by him. Past participle is same. So don't forget past participle in making passive form. Without past participle, we should not change any passive voice. Only some cases. In some cases, there is no past participle. I will show tomorrow without past participle, without was by, without is by, or by, were by, being by passive form tomorrow. I would like to teach that kind of passive voice tomorrow. Today, next, she punished her. She was. Her become. She was punished by her. She was punished by her. Similarly, him. What is the answer? Anybody can answer? Yes? Yes? Well, totally. Okay, right. He was punished by him. He was punished by him. Them. Kata medium students are here. Kata medium students can answer well. He was punished by them. They were punished by them. They become them. He become him. She become her. He become him. Have you understood? Well. Tomorrow I will give you another important homework to write. Just take down and tomorrow answer and bring. Okay. This is your homework. Tomorrow you should. Everyone must write. If it is wrong, whether it is right or wrong. So trying is most important. Try again and again and become succeed. Someone is there. Next, Ramu is cooking meal. The boys are painting. The boys are painting the picture. Next, they are eating mangoes. Not mango. Mangoes, plural form. Next, fourth one is Mohan rice. Poems. Mohan rice and also right is same. So poems. Look at this one. Poems. Next, Raju He will drink water. She shall write a novel. They can talk. They can talk Tamil language. Tamil language. They can talk Tamil language. Just to see and try to change active to passive voice. Active to passive voice. So, thank you for giving the good answer. Everyone is taking down what I have written on the blackboard, what I have taught you regarding active voice and passive voice. Tomorrow, all the students should bring your homework. Thank you once again. See you tomorrow.